Now, depending on the refractive index of core and cladding, optical fibers again divided into two types. One is step index optical fiber and another one is graded index optical fibers. First one, step index optical fibers. See here, the inner structure of the optical fiber. This is the core. Above that, cladding is there. Core refractive index is N1, cladding refractive index is N2. From the center of the core towards the end of the core, the refractive index N1 is constant, and at the end of the core, that means interface between core and cladding, suddenly refractive index N1 falls down to N2, and now N2 is constant throughout the cladding till the end of the cladding. That means the refractive index of core and cladding are uniform and constant, and the refractive index suddenly falls by a step at the interface. That's why this type of optical fibers are called step index optical fibers. Refractive index changes occurs by steps. Depending on the number of modes can propagate through the step index fibers, again they are divided into two types. Step index single mode optical fiber, step index multi-mode optical fibers. First one, step index single mode optical fibers. Step index single mode optical fiber allows only one mode can propagate through the channel at a time. Step index single mode optical fibers, the diameter of core is from the range 5 to 10 micrometers and cladding diameter range from 50 to 125 micrometers. The refractive index of core N1 constant and cladding N2 constant and N1 greater than N2. At the interface of core and cladding, refractive index N1 suddenly falls to N2. If you see the refractive index profile from diagram, from the center of the core, N1 is constant till the end of the core. At the end of the core, suddenly it falls to N2 and again it constant toward the cladding ending. At the end of the cladding, again it falls down. That means refractive index changes occurs by steps. That's why they are called step index single mode optical fibers. The fabrication of step index single mode optical fibers is very difficult, but they are useful for transmission of signal for longer distances. Now the step index multimode optical fibers. In these optical fibers, you can send many modes at a time. These type of optical fibers allows to transmit many signals, many modes to propagate through the channel at a time. The diameter of the core is around 50 to 200 micrometers and the diameter of cladding is around 125 to 300 micrometers. If you see the refractive index profile again, the refractive index of core N1 is constant from the center of the core to the end of the core, and at the end of the core it suddenly falls to N2 and N2 is constant till the end of the cladding. That means at the interface of core and cladding, refractive index falls by. The advantage of step index multimode optical fibers is they allow many modes to propagate through the channel at a time, and the acceptance angle is very large, and they not so costly when compared with step index single mode optical fibers, and fabrication is also less difficult comparing with the other. And disadvantages is low bandwidth and little bit distortion is also there, and also they are not useful for longer distance transmissions. Index multimode optical fibers. In graded index optical fiber, core refractive index is non-uniform. It gradually decreases from the center of the core to the end of the core, and cladding has uniform and constant refractive index N2. If you see the refractive index profile, at the center of the core, the refractive index is maximum N1 and it gradually decreases as you move from the center of the core to the end of the core. At the interface of the core, refractive index gradually decreases and it reaches to N2, and N2 is constant throughout the cladding. So, refractive index of core gradually decreases, but refractive index of cladding is constant. The diameter of the core in this graded index optical fibers is around 50 to 70 micrometers. Also, cladding diameters is also around same 50 to 70 micrometers. Since the refractive index of core gradually decreasing from center of the core to the end of the core, so when optical signal enter into the core material, it slowly starts bending. In step index optical fibers, optical signal travels like straight lines because refractive index is constant, but in graded index optical fibers, optical signal travels like helical or spiral shapes because refractive index continuously changing. So, light ray continuously bends and it takes the shape of helical or spiral shape. Advantage of this type of optical fibers, they allows many modes to propagate through the channel and high bandwidth and very low dispersion.